Hello, Professor. So today I will be doing a critique about an article related with statistics that it's called Association between Adolescents' Consumption of Total and Different Types of Sugar Sweetened Beverage with Oral Health Impacts and Weight Status. So, what statistics were used in the research? So, a cluster design was used to study all of the schools in the school district and every specific school. The sample was boys and girls from different weight sizes in school age, either primary school, middle school, or high school. Also, since the nature of the sample was complex, there was also used a stratified design to it to relate like every children in every school age to a specific school or school district. So in the study, they also use a frequency table. In the frequency table, they describe how often the children will brush their teeth, how often they will do physical activities, and how often they will have screen time per day, and how this relates to an unhealthy weight status. The sample size was 3,671 adolescents from 84 schools in Sydney, Australia. The Department of Education in Australia actually funded this research and helping make it true. What's the criteria for the research? Well, we're actually examining the intake of sugar in adolescents and how this one directly impacts the oral health and the weight gain status. What's the reason for this research? Well, the overconsumption of sugars in today's society, it's directly impacting the weight status of our children and actually their oral health. It's actually known that the more sugar you're intaking, you're actually increasing your energy level, but your absorption of nutrients it's almost zero. So this represents a problem and it's a serious health situation. That's why it needs to be researched and understood. What results did we take from this research? Well, the intake of non-carbonated drinks like Coca-Cola, Sprite, Pepsi are directly related with weight status and oral health problems. We actually learned that this new trend of energy drinks that it's not only sugar sweetened but they have like high amounts of caffeine. They will do like double the damage that regular and traditional sugar sweetened beverage does, like Coca-Cola, Sprite, Pepsi, Red Bull, Monster, Celsius. They will be like way more harmful to your health than regular traditional carbonated drinks. So, what's the implication on public health that we can learn from this study? That even though there is more variety on sugar sweetened beverage like zero, diet, they still have carbonated. They are still carbonated drinks. They are still high in calories, and they can still affect your oral health and your weight gain status. It's definitely a positive correlation. So the references for this study was the Australian and New Zealand Journal of Public Health, which actually make this research possible. That will be it. Thank you so much. I hope you learned something. Thank you.